what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansi and I really hope you all are doing good today. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys what all the things I have got from Plum Goodness. As you guys know, Plum is turning 8 this week. So yeah, happy birthday Plum. Now let's talk about the brand. I've been using Plum from a really long time and trust me, Plum ने मुझे कभी disappoint नहीं किया है with their skincare range. Makeup तो मैंने अभी use करना चालू किया है, but the skincare range is so amazing. I love all the products till the date and they have suited my skin really nicely. कोई side effect नहीं किया है, कोई harmful chemicals नहीं है उनमें. The Plum brand, all the products are vegan, cruelty-free, parabens-free. It's a sustainable, clean beauty brand which has always provided their audience with products for all skin types and concern while also staying true to being transparent and real. I've always heard what their audience needs, and yeah, that's why Plum is one of the best brand for the skincare, for the makeup range. It's their 8th birthday, so happy birthday Plum. So as it's their birthday, Plum is going on with some sales. It's their sale-a-bration. So yeah, the sale is running from 1st of July to 4th of July. So yeah, let's show you guys what all things I have got from Plum. So here are my products. All products you will be receiving in such green pouches, which is so amazing. I really love this pouch. Honestly, the quality of this pouch is so amazing. I wish यहाँ पे handles होते तो मैं इसको obviously एक sling bag की तरह लेके घूमती. But yeah, this is amazing and very good quality leather pouch. So let's see what's inside. So the first thing I've got is their green tea renewed clarity night gel. I'm sure you have heard a lot of good things about this product from many creators, because this product is amazing. This is mainly for oily skin type. This keeps your skin really hydrated. You just need to take like little amount of it and apply it all over your face and go to sleep, and in the morning you will see a visible difference, like your skin feels really plump. And as it has green tea, so green tea की वजह से ना आपकी skin जो है acne and pimples से काफी ज्यादा बच जाती है. Like आपको visibly दिखेगा कि आपको इतने ज़्यादा pimples and acne नहीं हो रहे हैं because of this product. This just hydrate and balance your skin pH level. And अगर आपके extremely oily skin है ना, this will not make your skin look greasy और एकदम वो oily. This will actually mattify your skin, but still you will see a plump and hydration in your skin. You are gonna just love this product, so I would say just give it a try once. So the next product I'm sharing with you guys, it's their TT Dandruff Fighting Scalp Serum. This is how the bottle it comes in, and when we open it ना, आपको ऊपर एक ऐसा nozzle मिल जाएगा. You just have to like pull this up and आपको यहाँ से serum आपका निकलेगा. Like you can see, what you have to do is आपको इसको सिर्फ अपने स्कैल्प में या फिर पूरा रूट्स में अप्लाई करना है अच्छे से एंड हल्का सा मसाज कर लो. Now what this product will do is, ये जो आपके हेड में जो डायरेक्ट फंगल होता है जिसकी वजह से आपको डैंड्रफ आता है, ये उसमें टारगेट करता है, उस पर अटैक करता है. एंड देन यू विल सी लाइक इन 3 to 4 वीक्स आप देखोगे कि आपके सर से काफ़ी हद तक डैंड्रफ कम हो गए हैं. एंड या दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ रियली गुड. एंड टी ट्री अगेन, सो टी ट्री आपके हेयर्स को ऑब्वियसली काफ़ी अच्छे से क्लीन रखेगा. सो yeah, next product was that. So before getting further into the video, let's talk about the sale-a-bration. As I told you guys in the beginning of the video, Plum is turning 8 years old and it's their sale-a-bration sale. So you're gonna get up to 50% off in almost all the products from the Plum Goodness. Not just that, with all of your purchase, you're gonna get a freebie. Isn't that exciting? You are gonna win freebies like vitamin C toner, moisturizer, I swear by mascara, and one thing more. One of you guys, like the lucky winner, is going to win an iPhone 13 each day. It's not like one day, each day. So isn't that really exciting? You can be the one who wins the iPhone 13. So yeah, it's a great opportunity, so please go and check it out. Not just the freebies and all, you are getting 50% off in all the products, but wait, You can also use my coupon code for getting extra 10% off. The code is birthday10, which is BDAY10. I will be writing it somewhere here, and also do check out my description box for more information, and also all the links of the products which I have shown and extra of my recommendations will be linked down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Now with skincare products, Plum has also started with their cosmetic products, their makeup and nail paints and all. So I have their Plum Color Affair nail paint, and this is how it looks like. Currently I am wearing this nail paint. It's been 3 days, like more than 3 days I have wore this nail paint, and if I show you closely, ये कहीं से भी chip off नहीं हुई है, and I haven't layered this nail paint. ये one coat है, only a single coat, and it hasn't chipped off from anywhere. Now you can see the shine, like it is like a high gloss finish formula, chip resistant non yellowing formula. Like पता नहीं इसमें क्या है, but ये आपके nail paint जो है ना yellow पड़ेगी ना, इसमें कोई stain आएगा. इनफैक्ट ये chip भी नहीं हुई है अभी तक. Like at least ये 7 days तक, like a week, आपके nails में as it is रहने वाली है, and I can see that and I believe कि ये एक week से ज़्यादा ही same हालत में रहेगी मेरे हाथों को. I just love it. Like skincare के बाद जो इनने ये करा है, like I can now blindly trust the brand. अगर हम cosmetic की और बात करें, the eyeliner currently I'm wearing is from Plum 2. It's their matte eyeliner, and you can see that it's so amazing. And the last product I have received from Plum is this. It's their body loving perfume in the variant Trippin' Mimosa. So this is how it looks from inside. The net volume you get in this is 15 ml, which is like quite a good quantity for like this small and compact perfume. This is a glass bottle by the way. Spray and see how the fragrance is. Like the mist is very fine. Oh wow. I mean, if we talk about the fragrance, this is very mild. It's not like वो the musky वाली fragrance नहीं है, काफी mild है and काफी refreshing fragrance है. This has like longevity of 10 hours, which I believe is true. अगर मैं इसको एक बार अपने ऊपर spray कर लेती हूँ, I can smell it again and again. इसकी fragrance ऐसी नहीं है कि थोड़ी देर में डल हो जाएगी. No, you can just smell it again and again and again. Like it's so long lasting, and I really like this product. Now because it is like very small and compact, you can easily carry it in your bag whenever wherever you want to go. Like a college जा रहे हो, office जा रहे हो, you can just keep this and just reapply it. So like yeah, these were all the products which I have received from Plum, and I feel all of these products are really good and really good quality, and this is a best time to go and buy from the Plum brand, as you're getting 50% off. And not just that, you can use my coupon code for getting some additional 10% discount. The code is given in the description box, so do check that out. I've also written it here, that is birthday10. And please don't forget to check the description box, जिसमें सारी details दी है, सारे products का links दिया है. Also some of my recommendations are also linked down below, so do check that out. And yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay blessed.